If your contact list is getting out of way with a lot of numbers that you no longer need, you need to delete them. But the standard way of deleting contacts one by one can take forever, especially if you have a lot of contacts that you want to delete. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly delete multiple contacts on your iOS device. Without further ado, let me show you how to do that. On your iPhone, tap on your Contacts app. Mine is right here, so I'm going to tap there. For this tutorial, I created some dummy contacts that we are going to use. So right here, you can see my dummy contacts. And before I proceed showing you how you can delete multiple contacts, let me show you the standard iOS way to delete contacts on your iPhone. If you want to delete a contact on your iPhone, right here on your contact list, find the contact that you want to delete. For this example, I'm going to use this contact here, A02. Tap there. It will bring the contact's detail. And then inside here, tap right here on the right side at the top where you have edit. Tap there. And then you scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option to delete the contact. Tap there. You'll get this pop-up. If you really want to delete the contact, tap here, delete contact, and the contact will be deleted. As you can see here, the A02 is no longer on this list. Now let's say you want to delete multiple contacts at once. To delete multiple contacts on your iOS device, what you have to do is use two fingers to select the contact. Let me show you. With two fingers, tap on the contact that you want to delete. If you remove, you will see that the contact is selected. Now again, using two fingers, find the other contact that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this A04. Using two fingers, I'm going to tap this contact. Now that I have selected, I can remove it this way, and you have two contacts selected. To delete, what you have to do is just tap on any one of those and hold, tap and hold until you see the option to delete. Let me show you. You can tap here or here, but tap and hold your hand there. You'll get this option down here to delete the contact. And you can see here that it shows that you have selected two contacts that you want to delete. You have two here and you also have two here. So if you want to delete these contacts, what you can do is just tap there and those contacts will be deleted. You'll get this pop-up notification just to asking you if you're sure you want to delete this contact. If you really want, tap there and those contacts will be deleted. You can see that those contacts were removed from this list. Now let's say you want to delete more than two contacts and they are far apart from each other. What you can do is, again, using two fingers, tap and hold the contact that you want. Keeping your hand there, you keep dragging down. As long as you drag it down, you'll be selecting all the contacts. See? This way I selected contacts from A3 to A9. Now let's say I want to select 14 to 17. Again, using two fingers. Tap and hold here, 14 to 17. Tap and hold and then drag it to 17 and then release. All those contacts will be selected. So you have these contacts up here and those contacts down there selected and ready to be deleted. To delete, what you have to do is just tap and hold in any one of these contacts that you have selected. For example, let's use this A09. I'm going to tap here and hold, and you will see that all the selected contact will appear here with the option to delete. The same option that we had before, now we have it here and says that we have selected 10 contacts. You have this option to merge, but this is not what we want to do. We just want to delete. So what we're going to do is tap here. You'll get this notification again asking you if you really want to delete this contact. If you really want to delete, in this case we want to delete, I'm going to click here, delete, and all the contacts will be deleted. To give you more example, I'm going to delete these contacts right here at the top and some of the contacts that I have at the bottom of my list. So in this case, I'm going to select these two here. Okay, these two. And then using these letters here, I'm going to hold and swipe it down. I have these contacts right here at the bottom. I'm going to select them as well, these two. And then I'm gonna tap and hold. You can see here that I have 4 selected, 2 from the top and these 2 from the bottom. And then I'm gonna click here to delete these 4 contacts. Click again, and those contacts will be deleted. This is how you delete multiple contacts on your iOS device. Well everyone, that's all for this video. If you knew about this technique, let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.